MARK stock tomorrow. So am I buying or selling? Number one thing on the list, you have to know the context, you have to know the direction from where we're going. We're 50% down for the day. Wednesday was quite bad, but Tuesday was like 260% increase. So ultimately, I mean, overall, we're pretty up from where we were previously. But here's the thing: MARK or Mark stock or Remark holding stock, it's been going down forever. Keep in mind, I'm following a strategy that I've documented and tested on my over the last 2023 year that has given me thousands of wins. By the way, I've documented it on my YouTube channel, so it cannot be questioned. Okay, the results cannot be questioned. And the thing is, I have nothing to sell you. So yeah, I'm just sharing everything that I've learned. So I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and this is what has worked with me. Now, just from my context, it's pretty bearish. I mean, I've seen these pumps happening, and most of the times, what's going to happen? I mean, I'm just going to give you a perfect example with MNTS. We had a pump while the price was kind of going down. What did I say? If the price gives me the break below the lows, I'm bearish at the lows. Perfect example going lower. It delivered. Here's the proof. But yeah, we mark the same exact thing. But although my rules are not being met right now, that means that on the directional bias, I'm just bearish. So this is how my prediction is going to look like actually. So I can actually stop yapping and just move on. Yeah, just pointing down. So this is how it's going to look on the daily chart. It's obviously not financial advice. If you want to learn my strategy for free, check out the free course down below.